Hisense U8Q Mini LED TV now rolling out across Europe. Hisense has released the U8Q Mini LED TV in various European countries, like the Netherlands and Germany. Currently available in four sizes, from 55-inch to 85-inch. These models offer a 4000 resolution and an up to 165 Hz refresh rate. Features include support for Dolby Vision and IQ, Dolby Atmos, and AMD FreeSync. The Hisense U8Q Smart TV is started to roll out across Europe. This model was officially unveiled in March 2025 and launched in the US in mid-April. The TV is available in this region in the following four sizes: 55-inch, 65-inch, 75-inch and 85-inch. The U8Q is a mini LED TV with a 3840x2160px resolution, an up to 165 Hz refresh rate and support for Dolby Vision and IQ, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced and Filmmaker Mode. Other features include MENC motion smoothing, 4K upscaling and a 2000:1 contrast ratio. While there is no brightness measurement provided in the European product listing, in the US, this model is marketed as having up to 5000 nits brightness. According to the product page, there is an integrated 4.1.2 channel sound system compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X Plus. Gaming features include Game Mode Pro, Game Bar and AMD FreeSync. You can connect to game console, speakers, or other devices via ports like HDMI 2.1, USB 3.0 and SPDIF. Alternatively, you can wirelessly connect devices via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. As expected, the European version of this TV uses VOD rather than Google TV. However, you can still access a wide range of streaming services and there is support for voice commands. On top of this, the TV comes with a solar-powered remote. Prices for the Hisense U8Q TV in countries like the Netherlands and Germany start from €1,299 for the 55-inch model, ranging up to €2,799 for the 85-inch version. It is unclear whether or when the 100-inch variant of this TV could launch in Europe. 55-inch Hisense U8Q LED Smart TV, €1,299. 65-inch Hisense U8Q LED Smart TV, €1,699. 75-inch Hisense U8Q LED Smart TV, €2,199. 85-inch Hisense U8Q LED Smart TV, €2,799.